There are three massive mistakes that even the smartest and most successful people make that keep them overwhelmed and ready to break up with their business, partners, and community. Overwhelm is the very worst in the tech sector. Why is that? Because this sector of human activity is causing the greatest velocity and magnitude of change the world has ever seen. While we've forgotten, banished really, our oldest technologies for dealing with change and replaced them with a tech culture that champions behaviors that are really three massive mistakes. Massive mistake number 3, shiny objects. People who allow themselves to be so distracted that they lose track of their purpose. Symptoms of distraction include 1, loss of time, which leads to frustration. 2, poor decisions, which leads to dropped balls. 3, procrastination, which leads to mission creep. Massive mistake number 2, aversion to the past. People who allow themselves to be so reactive that their past dictates their actions. Symptoms of reactivity include 1, know-it-all, been there, done that. 2, impatience or thoughtlessness. 3, being blindsided or out of touch. Massive mistake number 1, future chasing. People who allow themselves to burn out because they think the best is yet to come. Symptoms of burnout include 1, loss of mojo, being stuck. 2, poor health or bad habits. 3, misery, and this hurts, or worse, it doesn't. When you hit rock bottom, extreme change requires extreme action. Unable to see, I heard my name being called. Then I walked outside. The Sufi poet Rumi wrote that 8 centuries ago. Exercise will keep you going, but vacations are a great relief, but meditation reduces stress, but therapy can heal wounds for sure, but sometimes none of these are enough. Especially if someone is entranced by shiny objects, avoiding their past, and grasping for their future. Sometimes to find your true nature, you must go into nature. Environment is stronger than willpower. Yogananda said that when he brought yoga from India to Hollywood as World War II raged. So I teach the Nature Breakthrough Method. Ancient technologies for the modern age, an inner game for your outer game, a 5-step countdown to blasting off and leaving overwhelm behind. Tell me, what is it you plan to do with your one wild and precious life? Asks the poet Mary Oliver, who passed in 2019. I'm Dr. Wild Ben Goldman, founder of the Wild Call Weekend. In the past, I've influenced a Supreme Court ruling and presidential executive order. Now, I take people into the wild to get them unstuck and on purpose. Want clarity about your next step? How to start? 1, go to wildcallweekend.com. 2, get your free gift there of 3 ancient rituals smart entrepreneurs use to bounce back. And 3, schedule a Dealing with Change session with me today.